Welcome back from break. I hope you had a wonderful holiday. Today we are working on lesson 6.14, the Persuasive Essay Project, for 7th grade social studies. In today's lesson, we're going to start the project for writing our persuasive essay. This essay counts as your assessment for Unit 6, so please take it seriously and make sure you complete it accurately. This letter is going to be due on Thursday, January 8th. So the first thing you need to do is take a look at your essay requirements. Click here to access. Guess what? I've already clicked here for us. Persuasive Essay Project, Cyberbullying. Directions. Please follow the directions below on your persuasive essay assignment. You will have 4 days to complete this, and the assignment will be due Thursday, January 8th, 2015. As a friendly reminder, don't forget that there is no test for Unit 6, which is awesome. But you are completing this letter as your test for the unit to show me everything you've learned. So please take this assignment seriously and really rock it out. So, your essay topic. You'll be writing an essay to your congressman or woman persuading him or her that there needs to be a law that allows schools to punish students for off-campus bullying, in particular, cyberbullying. I've laid out the steps that you need to complete for the project each day in order to ensure everything is turned in on time. For day 1, we're completing steps 1 and 2. Guess what? This is already outlined in today's lesson. You're going to need to review the project requirements and rubric, which we are already on the project requirements. Make sure you also review the tutorial for writing a persuasive essay. That is the next step in today's lesson, and I will have a separate screencast on that for us. This is available in lesson 6.14, which is today's assignment. And then, after you've reviewed everything and you know what you're going to do, you need to use the resources provided that I gave you to start researching your essay. I say in today's lesson that you need to probably grab a sheet of notes and take some notes on some statistics and information you find interesting. For day 2, you're completing steps 3 and 4 and submitting your mind map. Review the sample good essay, and then you're going to complete the mind map activity. You'll use this as an outline to write your letter. Turn in your mind map at the end of day 2 for participation points. For day 3, you're completing step 5 and drafting your essay. This means you're starting to write it. Step 5, write your letter. Your letter needs to include one main reason why there should be a law. Your essay needs to be typed. Remember, this is an assessment grade. The essay will be due on Thursday. For day 4, you're completing step 6 and submitting your essay. Read your essay out loud to look for errors. Please double check to make sure all points are addressed and that you have signed your letter. Submit the assignment and you are finished. Congratulations! The essay is going to be due on Thursday, January 8th, 2014. Once the essay is submitted, it will be graded and then sent to your representatives in the Pennsylvania State Senate and House, which you listed on the 6.7 discussion thread. So now we're going to go back to lesson 6.14 and see what our next step for today is. So we've looked at the requirements. We're now going to look at the rubric. Here is how you will be graded, and I tried to make this as clear as possible to really help you out. So the first category is focus, and each essay addresses one problem only. So find something in particular that interests you about the cyberbullying that we have talked about and why there needs to be more laws requiring it, and really go after that. Step 2, the essay contains a paragraph with an opening and closing sentence. You can't just throw me right in the information. Please set me up with an introduction and end with a conclusion. Step 3, each idea presented relates back to the main idea statement. So we have to create a thesis, and then we have to make sure we follow up on that thesis. Your focus area is worth 20 points. Content. The introduction includes a main idea statement introducing 3 reasons. That is 4 points there. The opinion is supported by 3 different reasons. You provide support for all reasons. Support is made of logical appeals, so facts, opinions, things like that. So basically this just means that you are backing up what is important about your argument. And then you're presenting a call to action in the conclusion. For organization, the essay is written in constructive format. The essay has a definable introduction sentence, body, and concluding sentence. The essay is written as a letter, and the essay follows a logical order. For style, standard English is used throughout. Variety of word choice and sentence structure is used. This just means that you're demonstrating the proper grammar and punctuation that I know you are all extremely capable of. Conventions. Limited to no spelling, punctuation, capitalization, and usage errors. Make sure that you check how you've written things before you submit it. So it's worth a grand total of 90 points. But because it's all broken down and we're doing this over 4 days, you've got this. So this concludes my instructions for step 1. Now go ahead and go to step 2 for today, which is reading the tutorial on how to construct a persuasive essay. Make sure you click through all the screens to assist you. I will have an additional screencast about that you can access. Step 3 is to begin researching. Use the following websites and tools to assist you. So we have stopbullying.gov and dosomething.org. These websites I've provided for you just to make sure that you have some extra information on why these laws are important. So once you've begun your research, you're finished for today. I'd recommend creating a notes page with key facts and information to assist you in writing your mind map tomorrow. You have nothing to submit today. Coming up, you're drafting your letter using a mind map for assistance. If you have any questions, as always, give me a call, give me an email. I want you to do as well as you possibly can on this. You've got this. I can't wait to see your results.